Devolution, tinoona kuti devolution isusu as local authorities titori party devolution. Devolution kubviswa kwemasimba achiendeswa kuvanhu, zvakafanana nekuti councils ese iparty devolution iripo iri ku exercise masimba ehurumende kunoku kumatunhu akasiyana siyana, ndo yatinoti devolution.
Saka government payakati tolo kuite devolution, zvinobhuya here kuti hai se local authority pane kututsirwa kwemasimba kana kuti hai system yanga iri ku local authority ndo yakuendeswawo kumweni?
System yagara iripo iyoyo devolution yakuiswa pane chikamu chakati kurei mbichana, because kana tichizitarisa according kune constitution yenyika zvakureva kuti akutanga inonzi provincial council, inova provincial government, then tozoya local governments anova local authorities councils. Ndo zvakureva kuti hurumende yakuenda pane chikamu chiri pamberi mbichana in terms ye devolution iyoyo.
Tinobonga kakurutu. Tiri pandaa yona iyo ye devolution, munofunga here kuti hai ngatitangire pakuti muri mayor weguta reshe and you represent my interest akawanda. Who else is said to benefit ngati devolution yazoimplementwa zvetinonga takaningirira testation? Mwe munombohamba umwe chionawo vakaparadzana ma stakeholders. Who else do you think unokwanisa kudetserekana kana kubenefita when we have completed the process of devolution?
The community is the ultimate beneficiary of devolution. The society, the province itself, the business fraternity, all other stakeholders are the beneficiaries of devolution. What we will be saying here is some of the decisions that we go through or wanted will be decentralized so much that at least we'll be able to make those decisions earlier and better in our locality, more than those decisions being taken to Harare or the central government.
And mukoma Desmond makazvitarisa devolution, tingada kuti hai muti bhire kuti composition yacho wabhuyange ma provincial councils, mazwisire enyu se TIZ se civic society, how do you understand it?
As TIZ is also the composition, atingadi kuti at some point inge it too political. We just want things to be run like decentralized from the mainstream to local level, so that the local people will actually benefit from the resources they have. Then in terms of composition, there's according to the constitution, pane composition yamakatoti the devolution inenge ine vanhu vayakanzi vanenge varimo. So it's also we have other like ma ways kuti tingakwanisa kuti alright fine apa is it possible kuti mozoisa ningi not appoint like directly, but at least do my elections, so that we can choose vanhu vanenge vari kudiwa nevanhu kuti vashande. Already these people are already vanenge vatori nemapost avana vari kuseva, but actually teta kuda choose from those few kuti alright fine, who do the people want kuti vaende pa forefront, so that devolution process yacho would also engage the local people, not just directly appoint kuti this one is supposed to do this one is supposed to do that.
Thank you so much. Desmond is representing TIZ Mutare tonight. Councilor, tinoziva kuti hai over the past year or two pakapinde new administration iripo nemwamwe chipinda gore rapera, pane ndaa dziri kubuda dzimweni ngemauditi, pane ndaa dzimweni dziri kubudawo, tinoziva kuti hai recently pane vanhu vatosuspendwa kuona kukansuro yochizi mabatire enyu amwe chiite mari kana amweni mahambisiro amwe aite basa angazi kunase kuite jekerere. Do you think by any chance devolution will increase transparency and accountability mu council and other government stakeholders?
We have spoken about two issues, Adi. The issue to do with the issues at council has nothing to do with devolution. Devolution on its own, like I've said, a local authority is part and parcel of devolution, or is a beneficiary of devolution. We have got our own statutes, we've gotten according to the Urban Councils Act. We are an entity that serves the interests of central government in a local location that we are in as Mutare. So the beneficiaries of devolution are the community themselves. We are here to serve and will continue to serve in transparent and an accountable manner, as always. But what I'm trying to point at is an issue whereby devolution is an increase in the power and participation of in terms of what we were in was a local authority, but we're now looking at the provincial aspect whereby we get an administration that will be administering at a provincial level, supervising the local levels, that is the district councils and even local authorities with their jurisdiction. So that's the point that we are going to right now. But the administration at councilor is completely different away from the administration. Well, in passing, I'll just say, because I know you're of interest, people might be concerned about that one. Those are part and parcel of the issues at work. If you go against the conditions of service at your workplace, you can be suspended.
Thank you so much. That's Mayor Blessing Tandi, his worship gracing us tonight on the focus. And tonight we continue our discussion on devolution of power. And the promotion is still on Tibire Mutare with highs. Is we ringakona kupinda kushona kuvenekula ngwa mwene Shona Ndau jindu chihono boya iwewe aretinga pa ku devolution angere. We are still collecting suggestions zenyu. Tipetizko is wearing up in run devolution kuti wakagara apapo devolution ungaiti chini magama Shona kuti ndope zvinototangira apapo kuti vantu tinge tichizwisisa kuti chini chinongana chichiitika.